What if your earbuds could do a lot more than just play music? Meet the Vimerec.ai recording true wireless earbuds, a smart, AI-powered audio companion designed to boost your productivity every day. These earbuds don't just deliver wireless high-res audio with LHDC support. They can also record calls, capture meetings instantly with a dedicated flash recording button, and even convert conversations into searchable text within seconds. Need real-time translation? The Vimerec.ai can translate conversations on the fly, making communication across different languages easier than ever. With AI-generated transcripts, summaries, and even mind maps, you'll never have to worry about missing important details during meetings, lectures, interviews, or online calls. These earbuds also has 24 built-in note-taking industry templates and custom templates. Add in 48 decibels deep noise cancellation, 4 microphones including bone conduction technology, seamless dual-device connectivity, and up to 36 hours of total battery life, and you've got a pair of earbuds that goes far beyond entertainment. So, are these the smartest AI earbuds you can buy right now? Let's find out. Hello everyone! Today we're taking a look at the Vimerec.ai recording true wireless earbuds. These earbuds come with wireless high-resolution audio support, and the companion app is available on both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Vime has packed several useful features into this product, including LHDC support for high-quality audio transmission, call recording, real-time translation, flash recording, and deep noise cancellation of up to 48 decibels. It also features 4 microphones and dual-device connectivity, allowing you to switch seamlessly between your smartphone, laptop, or other connected devices. There are a few more interesting details that we'll explore, but first, let's unbox the product. The version we received is the black color variant, although it is also available in silver. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside the box, the first thing we get is the charging case, which comes wrapped in protective plastic. After removing the wrapping, we can see the earbuds inside. They feature a glossy finish and look very premium. The overall design is impressive. Moving on to the accessories, we get a customer support card. You can access the user guide by scanning the QR code provided. Vime has also included their support email address and live customer service contact information. Next, we find a quick start guide that walks you through the basic setup process. The box also includes multiple pairs of silicone ear tips in different sizes, allowing you to choose the most comfortable fit for your ears. One pair is already installed on the earbuds. Finally, we get a short USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable. That's everything included in the box. Now let's take a closer look at the main product. The charging case opens with a simple sliding mechanism, making it very easy to use. On the back, there's a USB Type-C charging port, a reset button, and a small status indicator light. The light is currently glowing green, indicating that the battery has sufficient charge. It will turn red when the battery level gets low. Inside the case, you'll find clear left and right indicators for the earbuds. There's also a dedicated flash button, which allows you to start instant recordings directly from the case. The earbuds attach magnetically to the charging case and feel very secure. They are also impressively lightweight. With the charging case included, the total weight is only 63 grams. Each earbud itself weighs just around 5 to 6 grams, making them comfortable enough for long listening sessions without causing ear fatigue. So that's the basic overview and design of the product. Next, we'll move on to the in-depth review to see what these earbuds can really do. Before that, it's worth mentioning that the charging case provides up to 36 hours of total battery life, while the earbuds themselves can deliver up to 9 hours of continuous playback on a single charge. Fast charging is also supported. Just 20 minutes of charging can provide up to 6 hours of usage. Now let's install the companion app and explore the smart features that make these earbuds truly unique. Now let's download and set up the companion app. We'll go to the Google Play Store and search for Vime. As you can see, the Vimerec.ai app appears in the search results. We'll tap Install and download it. Once the installation is complete, we'll open the app. First, it asks us to accept the user agreement and create an account. After signing up, we'll tap Add Device. We'll grant the necessary permissions, including nearby devices access, and allow the app to search for our earbuds. After opening the charging case and putting the earbuds into pairing mode, the app quickly finds the device and connects successfully. The connection animation looks great, and after tapping Get Started, everything is ready to go. The setup process is smooth and hassle-free. Inside the app, we can see several sections including Records, Space, Vitana, and Me. Vitana is VAIM's built-in AI assistant. In the Me section, you'll find recording settings, device management options, appearance settings, and various other customization features. At the center of the app, there's a large Record button. When you tap it, you'll be presented with several recording options, including call recording, audio and video recording, live recording, and live translation recording. For example, if I start a live recording, the earbuds can instantly record my voice with impressive speed and accuracy. You can also translate conversations in real time. Simply press the Translate button and choose your preferred language. The app continuously translates spoken content as you talk. You can pause the recording, resume it, or stop it whenever you want. One particularly useful feature is intelligent title generation. When enabled, the app automatically creates an appropriate title for your recording. After finishing a recording, the app instantly generates a summary and transcript of everything that was said. It even creates a visual mind map based on the content. What's impressive is that all of this happens almost instantly. I didn't have to wait or manually process anything. The AI automatically analyzed the recording and generated all the necessary information. You can copy the transcript, regenerate the summary, or further customize the results if needed. The AI performance is genuinely impressive. It's fast, accurate, and highly useful for productivity tasks. If you want even more functionality, you can interact with Vitana, the built-in AI assistant. It can help you further organize, summarize, and customize your recordings. Another interesting feature is the variety of AI models available within the platform. By default, you'll find options such as Gemini Flash, GPT models, and Claude models. Some of these models are available for free, while others are part of premium plans. This gives users flexibility depending on their specific needs. What's even better is that every recording is automatically saved to your history. You can revisit previous recordings, delete them, organize them, or perform additional AI processing whenever necessary. Now let's talk about the flash recording feature. If I press the dedicated flash button on the charging case, you'll notice that the indicator light activates. This means recording has started immediately. The best part is that recording begins without needing to open the app. This is extremely useful during meetings, lectures, interviews, or any situation where you need to capture information quickly. When you press the flash button again, recording stops. The newly recorded file immediately appears in the app under Flash Records. Opening the file reveals a Convert to Text option. Once selected, the system automatically transcribes the entire recording into text. This feature works remarkably well and makes it easy to turn spoken conversations into searchable notes. For day-to-day productivity, this is one of the most practical features of the product. Whether you're taking meeting notes, capturing important discussions, or saving ideas on the go, the system ensures you never miss critical information. During meetings involving multiple speakers, the AI can distinguish different voices and generate an organized summary of the discussion. This becomes especially useful for online meetings and conference calls. Whenever you convert a recording to text, the app automatically generates a transcript, summary, and mind map. As you can see, everything appears within moments. The summary may take a few extra seconds to complete, but once finished, you'll have a complete overview of the conversation. Now let's take a closer look at the earbuds themselves. Each earbud features multiple microphones, including a bone conduction microphone that helps improve voice pickup accuracy. The touch-sensitive area is located on the outer surface of the earbud. The touch controls are simple and intuitive. Single tap, play or pause music. Double tap, skip to the next track. Triple tap, return to the previous track. Long press, start recording. Long press again, stop recording. You can also slide your finger up or down on the touch surface to increase or decrease the volume.
Overall, these touch controls are responsive and easy to use. After spending some time with the Vimerec.ai recording true wireless earbuds, it's clear that this product offers much more than just audio playback. The combination of high-quality wireless audio, real-time translation, AI-powered transcription, automatic summaries, mind maps, flash recording, and multi-device connectivity makes it a powerful productivity tool. Whether you're a student, professional, content creator, journalist, or someone who frequently attends meetings, these earbuds can significantly improve the way you capture and organize information. The AI features are genuinely useful rather than gimmicky, and they work surprisingly fast. If you're looking for a pair of earbuds that can do much more than simply play music, the Vimerec.ai recording true wireless earbuds are definitely worth considering. Overall, the Vimerec.ai delivers a unique combination of premium audio and powerful AI capabilities, making it one of the most innovative earbuds we've tested. If you'd like to learn more about the product, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.